What's good, everybody out there in YouTube land? Yes, welcome back to Rage Theft Auto 3. You heard me correctly. Yo, listen, man. This game right here, I'm really having a tough time with this game. I mean, this game is ridiculous, yo. Just with the stuff that they ask you to do and everything. This game is crazy, but I figured out, not on my own, how to
Why you so sad, sweetie pie?
I'm sad because I'm failing missions.
Spell your mom.
You got any bright ideas what to
Okay,
say?
wait a minute. What's up, lady? Where do I need to go? No, it's not this way. It's back this way. So there's a car coming out right here. But yeah, let's get it, man. Marked man. Let's go.
You weren't followed. Good. This is it. I'm way over my head and I'm starting to drown here. The CIA seems to have a vested interest in Spank, and they don't like us screwing with the cartel. I'm a marked man, so I'm getting out of here. Get me to my flight at the airport, and I'll make it worth your while.
All right. Wait, wrong way. Where's the vehicle at? There it is. Nice. You follow me? Good. So, oh, that was a hidden package. I'll take it. Okay, here we go. See? Pistol delivered to hideout. I don't know if I'll make it, man. I didn't know I only had 3 minutes to do this damn mission. I doubt if I'll make it, but I'll try. Oh, come on, man. See, it's like stuff like that. Turn. And of course, because you know, why not? Yo, hold on, we're gonna need a taxi. This slow ass vehicle. I see you come down here with the car. Probably not gonna make it in time. I'm probably not gonna make it, but I'll try. Crap, I'm not gonna make it. And I'm right here. No! I'm like right here! Oh, man. Man, that sucks. Well, you know the drill. I'll be back when I'm here. So just give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. And I'm on the train tracks. So I got 2 minutes to go. I should make it. I'm in a faster car. I didn't have to stop. So I should make it to my destination. See, I had to look this one up. These missions are very, like I said, they're very difficult on the first attempt. I'm not gonna lie, man. This game is very tricky. Most of the missions I could do without a guide or anything, but some of these, like this one, they're just very tricky to do, man. You ever played this game for your first time, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just too difficult. So you just need a little bit of help, that's all. Just a little bit. Listen, I'm not ashamed to say that I had to look something up for a game. I'm not ashamed to say that at all. I mean, it happens. I mean, I would have liked for it not to be that way, but I mean, it is what it is. So, here we go. Come on, get out of the way. I'm right here.
Here's the key to the lockup. You'll find some cash and some supplies I stashed in case things got tight. See you around.
You carpet muncher. You're about to get rolled on.
You say, you carpet muncher. Alright, so Ray's out of here. Go over to the lockup. Yeah, let me get this whip right here, my brother. You don't need this anymore. So the lockup is over here. I'm gonna have to go back in that damn tunnel. That is pretty dope that you can do that. Go through the train and it leads you right there to the airport. I would have never known that you had to do that. So, can you really blame me? I mean, I did think of a good idea. I thought to use a boat because they're saying you can't take the bridge. So, I mean, I'm guessing a boat would have been the next best thing. But due to the fact that they don't give you that much time, I mean, honestly, I never would have thought to use the subway. So, I don't know. Because I didn't know where the subway would lead. If I knew the subway led to right there, then yeah, I probably would have took the subway. But I didn't, so, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, you damn right. If I have to, I will look something up. I don't. That's what it is, man. Alright, what's in this little lockup? Take care of my bulletproof Patriot. See you in Miami. Alright. So he has a bulletproof Patriot, huh? It's pretty dope. Wait a minute. I'm trying to lock this up in my garage here. Come on. No, no, no. Yes. Oh my goodness. Thought I lost the damn bulletproof Patriot already. See if this bad boy will fit. Okay, it should fit. Oh yeah, whoa. Nice. Very, very nice. Hold on 1 second. I was talking to my damn self. Anyway, I'm back. What that dude going there with? He's going. Oh wait, hey. Oh wait, there's another one. But anyway, so this dude Donald. I have to go do this mission. I did look this mission up as well. Because I wanted to see how to take that dude out. I should have known I could snipe him. I should have figured that. That part I could, but I didn't have a sniper rifle. And plus, like, can you really blame me though? Because the dude was right there. Apparently, you can't shoot somebody if they're behind a box. That is just such BS. So let's do this mission one more time. Grand Theft Arrow.
Thank you for retrieving those packages, but they were only a decoy. Sorry about that, but that's sometimes the way in business. My real objective was hidden on the plane all along. Unfortunately, the port authorities seized the plane and were stripping it down until I intervened at great personal expense. Cross the bridge to Shoreside Vale and go to Francis International Airport. I've paid off the officials. My property will be waiting for you at the customs hangar in the aircraft fuselage.
Right. So all of that happened, and at the same time, the damn oh wow, that could have ended up badly. But at the same time, even with all that, the Colombians found a way to seize the damn plane and take whatever was inside of that plane. They already seized it. So you know, it is what it is with that. So here we go. No, just for you hitting me. That damn vehicle. Get out the damn way. Oh my god, will y'all lower the damn bridge? Alright. Alright, here we go. Smash. How do you zoom in? Here we go. Takes care of that. Haha. All right. So the package is not on the plane. Panlantic Construction. Alright, back to the construction yard as before. So yeah, like I said, I'm not ashamed to admit that I did look these missions up. I mean, like I said, this game is very difficult. I never played it before, so it's largely trial and error from what I can see from doing these missions. So yeah. Man, get out of the flipping way, dude. Get out, get out, get out! Oh, snap! Yo, I'm glad I made it out of that. That was crazy. Did you see it though? Almost died right there, son.
What are you doing?
Alright. Mule taxi, my brother. Alright, let's go. Let's get time to get busy right now. Smash through that, and that was a fail. And that one dude was camping. There he go. Look at him. He right there. He's still there. Look at him. Camping ass. Oh, get shot on in your little back, sir. Ah, here we go. Oh, I took that brother head smooth off. Crap. I can't see nothing with this damn camera. Are you freaking kidding me? Man, I swear this damn camera, man. Trying to get like a good see. Look at look at this dude, yo. Look at him. I need body armor in the worst way. Yo, what is that dude saying? Are you man, see, this is what I'm saying. Look at this nonsense. He can shoot me, but I can't shoot him. Oh my god, look. All right. Yeah, I'm back here, man. Oh boy, listen. Like I said, man, I try not to lose my cool while I'm playing, but this game is utterly frustrating. So I made it back pretty much to the same point. Dude try to sneak up on me with a damn shotgun. Where he at? Yeah, come on out. I hear him too.
Run or die. I risque, gringo. Run or die.
What? Get up!
I'm going to kill you.
Come on, man.
Risque, gringo.
Oh my gosh. Right, of course. Of
Hey,
course.
let's get this out of here. God knows what it is, but he seems to want it badly enough, so it must be worth something.
Who the heck?
You!
Hey, take it easy, amigo. No es nada, no es nada.
I left you pouring your heart out into the gutter!
Hey, don't shoot, amigo. No problem. We all friends? Here,
Don't be such
take
a
this.
pussy!
Hey, we got no choice, baby. Yeah.
Oh,
No
snap.
choice, you dumb bastard.
I'm sorry about the crazy bitch, man. They're all the same, please. Por favor.
So, the whore got away. But you've done me a favor. You're not the only one that has a score to settle with the cartel. This worm killed my brother.
I never killed no Yakuza.
Liar! We all saw the cartel assassin. We are going to hunt down and kill all you Colombian dogs. I'll be operating on our friend here to extract information and a little pleasure. You, drop by later. I'm sure I'll require your services.
Please, amigo. Don't leave me here with her, man. She's psycho, chico, man. Please, amigo.
Hey, amigo. Amigo. Let's go to strip club.
Okay, so I guess I'm back with the... I guess I'm back with the Yakuza. See, this game right here, bro. Utterly ridiculous. I don't even understand the plot. Like, there's so much going on. First you're with the mob, the Italian mafia. Now you like, this game is all over the damn place. This is definitely one of the worst games I've ever played, hands down. Like this game is starting not to even be fun anymore. Like it was cool in the beginning because I ain't know nothing, but now that I'm getting used to the controls and seeing how the game really functions, this game is a piece of ish. If you know what I mean. Unbelievable. Well, I got 50,000 for doing that damn mission, and I guess I could do another mission for Asuka. Yo, listen, man, this gonna be the last mission, bro. Pass or fail. Escort service.
You are proving to be a safe investment. A rare thing in these days of falsehood. My Oriental friend will need an escort while he takes my latest acquisition to be authenticated. I want you to follow him and make sure both he and my package get to Pike Creek unharmed.
Then to top it off, this dude doesn't even say nothing. You need a car. Oh. I got it. Man, what happened to my...
Where you been?
Alright, well, let's say we're getting in the taxi.
That is my cab.
this. I'm telling you right now that this mission about to be that bullish. I can feel it, bro. I just smell it. I smell it. The stench is in the air. I smell some garbage happening. I don't give a damn. If I fail this mission, that's it. I don't give a damn. Now watch this. I thought he was gonna run over the damn pole. Oh man. I'm waiting for it to go down. I'm just waiting for it to go down. I already know what this is about to be. Who's that? Here we go. Here we freaking go. Shoot. Now hold up, bro. Get out the damn way. Who the... Yo. Oh, get out the... Flip. Shoot. Man, get out the mother... Man. Damn, get out of here. Oh, snap. Oh no, that's not good. Oh yes. Of course, that's my damn fault, of course. What the f... Yo! How did he just... Oh, sir. I need this. Yo, how did he just flip my car like that? Oh man, I don't even know what the hell's going on. Okay, there we go. And there's that damn car. Yeah. Alright, good. That car's out of the way. In fact, shut up. I need this.
Hey, get lost, you!
Good. Yeah, after this mission, man, it's over, man. It's a wrap. I'm getting frustrated, man. It's a game, dog. Like I'm really trying to play this joint. And then on top of that, right? In order to really pass this game, it would have been better off me just looking up how to get the look at it. I can't even change the camera. It was better off me looking up how to do the how to find all the hidden packages, just to make it easier to play the game, because they give you body armor, grenades, pistol, submachine, like all of that stuff would have came in handy. Where I don't have to keep buying my weapons. You know what I'm saying? I could just find all the hidden packages, have all the weapons at each safe house. Because I'm wasting money. It's even worse when you keep dying from nonsense. That's what I love. I got San Andreas too. I cannot wait to play that. You're gonna see how much different that game is. pretty sure those of you who are watching, I'm pretty sure you probably played San Andreas before. But playing this, yo, dude, get out the man, get out the damn way. What are you doing, man, idiot? Thank you, you changed lanes, you flipping dummy. Who the hell is that? Look at this dude. Just chilling. Oh, get out of here, man. Here we go. Oh, gosh. Oh, get out of here. Flip. Yeah, uh-huh, yeah. Yeah, dummy. That's what you get. Wow. Did we make it? Yo, that was close. That was very, very close.
That's your coat.
All right, 40,000. Okay, excuse me for that. Get rid of that. Look at this. Trying to chase that dude down. Alright, so apparently I completed the objective. Yeah, this like I was saying before, man, this game is just annoying. I'm gonna go back through that same way where I came from every time. Where's that? Wait, did I make a left? Wait, I don't even know which way I came. Was it this way? I think it was this way. But anyway, yeah, this game, bro, it's just, was it this way? I honestly don't remember. That's the police station. But no, I don't think it was. But yeah, this game, bro, is just. I really didn't think it would be this bad. As far as like for the gameplay, I mean, I know it's a little outdated. I don't mind that, cause there are outdated games that are still good to this day. So that's not an issue for me. You know, that's the reason why I'm even playing on the PS2 in the first place. But you know, I mean. No, I don't want to go down this way. No. Could have ran off the damn cliff into the water. But yeah. Okay, this is the Francis Airport joint. Let me just go across the bridge. I figured this game would be just, you know, just as good as you know, a game like San Andreas that came out a couple years later. But it turns out that I was completely wrong. Oh, I was just about to go too. But guess what I'm gonna do? Watch this. See ya. Damn cops. My bad for that pedestrian. Yeah, that's what the cop gets right there. So yeah, mean, this, you know, this game is not that much fun. Oh! Get out! Get out! Get out! Run! Oh! All right, back home in Staten Island. But yeah, I'm not like, especially this time around. Like I said, I just wish I would have had all the weapons, and they appear right here, just like this pistol. So here it is. You know what I'm saying, get a free pistol at the hideout. If it was up to me, I would have had everything. So I get the body armor, all of that good stuff. So you know, is that picture still in here? Okay, good. That's all I needed for that not to show up. But anyway, yeah, man, part 16, I think. It's gonna be the end of this. So, part 16, that mission is down. And, I am a little bit more than halfway done with the game. So, I'm gonna continue on. I'm gonna, you know, do what I gotta do to finish this game. And then I'm on to the next one. So, thank you all for watching. I appreciate that. This game is some bull-ish. But, but I'm gonna still do my thing. So, you know, as before, like, sub, and all that good stuff. Hope you're enjoying the show and the parts and all the gameplay. And yeah, I'm out of here, folks. See ya.